134 and 109.
Okay. Recording's up, microphone is hot. All right, put him in the backpack on. The drone is with me. We're about to put the drone in the air. So, let's make sure everything is just ready to rock and roll. One, two, 1, 2. I'm locking the door. The door is locked. I'm heading down the stairs. Going outside, down the stairs, down the stairs. All right, we're outside now. We're outside. Alrighty. Alright, I'm about to set the drone up. Drone is ready. The drone is ready to fly. Let's go. All right, I'm flying the drone now. All right. So we're gonna go up a little bit. Going forward. Alrighty.
Max altitude reached.
Okay, maximum altitude reached.
Max altitude reached.
All right, so we can't go very high.
Aircraft is about to land automatically.
This is where I'm staying, right here. Here I am. Hopefully you can see me. All right, here I am right here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm trying to do a check. Trying to do a check of an audio check. So if you see me, if you can hear me, that's because I'm recording the audio from my cell phone, okay? But I'm looking at you. The point of this is to connect the drone with the, what's that called? Connect the drone with the audio. So let's take a cruise around this neighborhood, shall we? All right, so this is what you can see. Got a quick spin around here. That's the car. That's the car I rented right there. Look in front of you. Yeah, so we're right here near the highway. That's the highway right here. And there's just like, this is an interesting little spot right about here. You could film a little video or something over here, like a music video that's like representative of Puerto Rico. Not that it's really pretty or anything, but you could actually do that and be like, yeah, this is Puerto Rico, you dig? Yep. Something like that.
Landing.
It's landing. Why is it landing? I've gotten too close. I've gotten too close to the gotten too close to the highway, so they want to land. But screw that, we're trying to reverse it. Nah, we had to land. That's tough. That's tough. I had to land because of restrictions or what have you. Those are the restrictions. Let me see if I can get my face in here. Authorization zone. You can't fly in authorization zones. Anyhow, let's walk back to the community and try to get the drone back up and walk around and see what we can see, shall we? I'll put you down here. Can we unlock it? Can't unlock it. That's about all I could do. I got too close to the freeway. Authorization zone is not, we're not authorized to fly over there. I got it working over here, which was cool, but it's only a minute or so of footage. Alright, I guess I'll have to try this. I'll have to try this again later. Authorization zone. I have to try it again later. So, can we try it again now? What is this? Authorization zone. Unable to take off. Well, we tried. It was worth a shot, worth a try. So, let's just shut it down, shall we? All right, audio is still hot, so we're gonna try this again. We've got plenty of juice, so I'm trying to work quickly here, so as to get this going. Okay, so as long as I stay within the parameters, as long as I stay here, you know, and don't go to the what's that thing called, to the freeway.
Take off.
Authorization zone. Come on now, give me authorization. Let's go. Looks like I don't have authorization. I had it going for a second there, which was lovely. Got to calibrate it. Got to try it again. RC not connected. Why not? Everything should be working properly. Turning it off now. All right, everything is off. Trying it again, capturing all of this audio, but I want to capture this video. All right, the drone is ready. RC not connected. It should be connected. There's no reason why they shouldn't be connected. Aircraft not connected. Why not? It should be connected. Let's go. C mode. Takeoff permitted. Alright, here we go. We're right back at where we started. I'm going to try to get this in the air. We're going to move away from the highway. And we're not going to run into the same problems that we had before. Alright.
Takeoff.
Okay.
Aircraft is about to land automatically.
Why? Authorization zone. That's why. So we can't land. I can't do anything. I can't do anything. Authorization zone. I should probably go somewhere else. I should go somewhere else before doing this. This is all I can capture. That's it. We're out. Peace.